Next one asks you to divide. You have to use a long division for this. So you write down x squared plus x minus 12 divided by x minus 2. We ask ourselves, what times x give you x squared? What is that? Anyone? You can type your answer or just use your microphone. A lot of you says x. That's correct. So x, if I distribute x with x minus 2, x times x would be x squared. X times minus 2 would be minus 2x. So now, if I want to find a remainder, I have to subtract, right? I have to subtract. In order to subtract, I can add, change subtraction to addition, and change the sign of the second row into its opposite sign, and then simply add these two. X squared minus x squared would be 0. So there would be 0. Plus x plus 2x would be plus 3x minus 12. So our remainder is 3x minus 12. If I want to move on, what would be the next step? What do you multiply? What times x give you 3x? Okay, anybody with the microphone wants to just tell me what it is? What times x give you 3x? Okay, a lot of you say 3, that's correct. So it would be 3 plus 3. So if I go and distribute that again, I get 3x here plus 3x and minus 6. Now if I want to find the remainder, again I have to subtract. And then what I can do is I can change the subtraction to addition again, and change the sign here to its opposite sign, and then add them up. So this would be again 0. And what's the remainder, anyone? Minus 12 plus 6. What's the remainder? Right, negative 6. If I want to move on with the next term here, the next term would be a fraction. And the question is, what times x minus 2 give you minus 6? Well, the top of the fraction should be the remainder, and the bottom of the fraction would be x minus 2. So if I multiply this fraction here, minus 6 over x minus 2 times x minus 2 cancels, and you get minus 6. So that's how you get the remainder of 0. So here that would be answer, x plus 3 plus minus 6 over x minus 2. So when you see a fraction here, that's all it means. You have a remainder here. Of the remainder is negative 6. That's what the remainder. Okay, you should know how to divide using the long division like that.